In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change the color of a shirt in Krita. So first you wanna select the polygonal selection tool. Then you wanna select this shirt here. So I'll start by selecting it here. And then you just want to connect it like this. After you selected the shirt, you want to right click and then click on cut selection to new layer. And as you can see here, this is the selection. Now you want to make sure you select this selection, the shirt that was cut out, click on it. Then you want to go to filter, adjust, HSV adjustment, and here you wanna change the colors through here, HUE. Let's see, here you have plenty of colors, but let's choose green. This is green, and to increase the brightness of this green, I just have to increase the saturation like this. For example, I can decrease it or increase it. So I'll keep it like this and click OK. And this is basically how you can change the color. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.